the graph of a function and its inverse. In this session, we are going to look into the relationship between the graph of a function and graph of the inverse of that particular function. Let us consider a function fx is equal to 2x plus 1, and this function is defined for the domain x is between 2 and minus 4. Using these end values of domain, we can get the corresponding y values. So f minus 4 will give us minus 7, and f of 2 will give us 5. It means that here x is minus 4 and y is minus 7, and for this one we have x is 2 and y is 5. Representing these points on the given grid, we will have x2 and y5, so this one 2 and 5, and x minus 4 and y minus 7, so it will be approximately here minus 4 and minus 7. Now we will work out f inverse of x. F inverse of x is equal to x minus 1 over 2. And before proceeding, let us quickly look into the domain and range of the function fx. This is domain of the function, and the range of function are the corresponding y values. So y is between 5, see this one and this one, between 5 and minus 7. So this is the range of the function. F inverse of x is equal to x minus 1 over 2, and we know that domain of the inverse function is same as the range of the function, and the range of inverse function is the same as the domain of the function. Therefore, we can define it now. Domain of f inverse of x is equal to the range of fx. So this is the domain of the inverse function. So x is between 5 and minus 7. And range of f inverse x is same as the domain of the function, which is here. X is between 2 and minus 4. Therefore here, because this is the range, so y is between 2 and minus 4. So we have now corresponding x and y values. So when x is 5, y is 2, and when x is minus 7, y is minus 4. Now again, representing these points on the given grid, minus 7 and minus 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here this is minus 7, minus 4, and 5, 2, 2, 3, 5, and 2. So we'll get this point here. You can see that for the function fx and the function f inverse x, the x and y coordinates are interchanged. For example, here x is 2 and y is 5, while here x is 5 and y is 2. Similarly here x minus 4 and y minus 7, while here for the inverse function x minus 7 and y minus 4. So drawing the line by joining these 2 points, we'll get the inverse function. So this one is a graph for fx, and this is the curve for f inverse of x. And now finally let us look into the graph again and work out the relationship between the function and its inverse. If I draw a line here, this is the line defined by y is equal to x. And the relationship between the function and its inverse is that their graphs are a reflection of each other in the line y is equal to x. From this example, we can therefore conclude that the graph of function f, the graph of the function f and its inverse are reflection of each other in the line y is equal to x. Let us have a look into an example. The function f(x) is equal to x minus 1 whole square minus 2 for x belongs to R, and function is defined for x is between 1 and 4. We need to draw the graph of this function and graph of inverse of the function and the same set of x's. So this is the graph of the function f, and we can see that this is a 1 1 function because for any single x value there is only single y value. So therefore this is a 1 1 function. Now to draw the graph of inverse of the function f, we need to use the definition that the graph of function f and its inverse are reflection of each other in the line y is equal to x. So first we draw the line y is equal to x by joining the points here. So this is the line y is equal to x, and this is the mirror line for the image. Now draw the image of this function f in this mirror line. So we will get a point somewhere here to start with, and then reflect the curve f in mirror line y is equal to x to get the graph. So it will be something like that. So this is f inverse of x. For a more clear picture, you can see this diagram which is drawn accurately, and here we have the mirror line y is equal to x. This is the function f, and this is the graph of the function f inverse. That's all for now. See you next. Take care.